Morning, guys. So it's August the 4th, I believe. It's currently, let's see, August the 5th. It's currently 5:55 in the morning. I'm actually gonna make a trip down to Ohio. It's about 10-11 hour drive. We're gonna go pick up with the single turbo on it, so hopefully it's a good buy, and I'll update y'all here in a little bit.
Right 2 lanes to take exit 385.
Alright, so we're making our first pit stop. We had to get some breakfast because ain't neither one of us have ate. So we actually stopped at a Cracker Barrel. Who knows where the hell, somewhere in Kentucky. But we're finna get some food.
Habla español, chingado.
Oh, look, there it is. I gotta stop. We both starving. Alright, so we just got done eating Cracker Barrel, and our server, she's gonna be like, do y'all want 1 check or 2 checks? I was like, bro, we've been talking to you in English the whole time. Don't act like we don't know English. She had to show us her fingers, bro. She made sure we seen her fingers. It was funny as shit. But anyways, we still left her a good tip. She did good, but it was still funny as hell. I had to let y'all know what happened. Anyway, damn, big ass money over there. Shit.
It's just a wallet. Empty as fuck.
But anyways,
look.
we're gonna continue our drive.
Empty as fuck. Butterflies are flew.
We still got what, 5 hours? We got 5-hour drive still. So we're about halfway there. And then I'll update y'all here in a little bit. But
Where's the nearest gas station?
I've been sneezing, so my eyes look like hella puffy or something. But anyways, I'll see y'all later.
Continue for 172 miles.
Nada es fácil en la vida.
up, guys? So it's like 12, I believe. Let me see. Tuesday, it's 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. We're actually back in Kentucky, but I didn't get any video of us actually loading up the car because basically we got there at the same time the guy got at his house, and we just started working on actually getting the motor inside the car. But it is a RB25, and then we ended up getting 2 motors instead of 1. So we went originally for 1, and we ended up picking up 2. One's a RB25 DET, and one's a RB25 DET Neo. And we got a bunch of parts, shit ton of parts, and we barely made it fit in the car, literally. So I just wanted to show y'all and give y'all an update. But as y'all can see, the whole back seat is full of fucking car parts. it's fucking packed. And the trunk, I don't even want to open the trunk. The trunk, y'all just have to believe me, it is packed. Like, we barely got the shit in the car, and it is squatting so hard that it's literally ridiculous. But anyways, I'm fixing to go into Love's behind me back there somewhere, and I'm gonna get me a coffee because I'm tired of shit. But we're trying to make it back. Right now we're scheduled to be back about 6 in the morning, so we got about 5 more hours. But so far we've been doing pretty good. I'm gonna check all the fluids on the car right now before I go in, make sure the oil level and everything is good. But anyways, I will get back to y'all here probably in the morning.